Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rocket League on your school computer. First, it's crucial to understand your school's internet restrictions and IT policies. Many schools block gaming sites and downloads. We'll explore legitimate methods like cloud gaming, which streams the game to your browser, requiring no installation. This approach often bypasses common network blocks, offering a smooth experience if your internet is fast enough. Cloud gaming is your best bet for playing Rocket League without installing anything. Services such as NVIDIA GeForce Now or Xbox Cloud Gaming allow you to stream the game directly to your school computer's web browser. You'll need a strong, consistent internet connection, ideally with at least 15 to 25 megabits per second download speed, to ensure a lag-free experience. This method avoids software installation entirely. Another approach involves looking for browser-based alternatives that mimic Rocket League's gameplay. While not the exact game, many offer similar car soccer fun directly in your browser, requiring no downloads. Additionally, investigate if a truly portable version of Rocket League exists that can run from a USB drive without installation. However, these methods might offer less graphical fidelity or performance compared to cloud streaming. Remember, your primary purpose at school is learning. Always prioritize your studies and complete all assignments before considering playtime. It is absolutely crucial to respect your school's IT policies and acceptable use guidelines. Installing unauthorized software can lead to serious consequences, so always avoid it. Use these methods responsibly and during appropriate times, like during a free period.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.